the 2016 Kia Rio. This four-door, five-passenger sedan still has fewer than 70,000 miles. It features an automatic transmission, front-wheel drive, and an efficient four-cylinder engine. Top features include a split folding rear seat, a tachometer, variably intermittent wipers, a trip computer, heated door mirrors, and air conditioning. Audio features include a CD player with MP3 capability and 4 well-positioned speakers. Kia also prioritized safety and security by including dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, head curtain airbags, traction control, brake assist, ignition disabling, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. For added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.